Microsoft is plus 15.51% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 31st, and today we are putting the spotlight on Microsoft, the cloud and AI bellwether. Microsoft is up 15.51% to $451.10 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $432.44 and $458.69. The long-term fundamentals for Microsoft revolve around Azure growth rates, Copilot AI integration, and enterprise spending. Equity markets are responding to reports that Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels fourth quarter results, Microsoft source. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that oil prices rise after US bloc's surprise attack from Iran. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ futures edge higher ahead of Fed decision, chip stocks wobble, WTVB. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Rocket Lab surged plus 10.38% to $64.68 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab, RKLB, is down 16.3% after record $266 million US Space Force contract win, SimplyWorld ST. Space Systems manufacturing solar panels, reaction wheels, radio frequency components is generating reliable cash flow that cushions launch market volatility. Any tactically responsive space contract win with the US DoD would directly boost near-term Electron revenue. The long-term re-rating catalyst is Neutron's maiden flight timeline. Meta made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 7.95% to $539.03. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta touts industry-leading ad revenue growth, but RE unease rises, marketing dive. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. TSMC made a dramatic move today, surged plus 7.59% to $403.12. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC raises dividend 28% while 38% revenue growth reframes the geopolitical risk. 24/7 wall STAI chip demand has created a demand floor that insulates TSMC from the consumer electronics cycle. High-NA EUV ramp at N2 and beyond represents a technology advantage no competitor can replicate for years. Watch the next earnings call for any commentary on 2026 capacity allocation. Here is our analytical view on Microsoft from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels fourth quarter results, Microsoft source. The moat is widening. AI is accelerating enterprise lock-in to the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. The near-term risk is Google Cloud competition in the AI application layer. Watch for any commentary on Copilot seat conversion rates from large enterprise customers. That is the leading indicator of the next earnings upgrade cycle. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our spotlight on Microsoft from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.